So there's a good buddy of mine named Peter that's been building my engines for years, and the other day he gave me a call asking me about an exhaust system for his truck project.
Here is the kit that Magnaflow sent over to the shop. The kit came with a pair of their stainless steel mufflers, plus enough pipe and a couple of different types of manual beams to get the job done right.
Heading over to Burbank right now to catch up with a guy named Kevin over at a place called Deeds Engineering.
The headers from Hooker went right on and fit the engine like a glove. Then Magnaflow's custom kit had everything that I needed to run the exhaust all the way to the back of the truck in one box. The band clamps and billet exhaust hangers from Deeds Engineering made it simple to assemble the exhaust while allowing us to service the truck suspension if needed, while offering a leak-free connection. Finally, I can't say enough about the titanium color of the Cerakote coating. That really sets off the exhaust with this chassis. I'm really proud of how this project is coming together.